Every bucket of KFC's world-famous fried chicken begins here with the journey-controlled dimmers. Precision begins at the loading dock. Every crate handled with care. Every worker trained in food safety. Every crate is weighed. Every weight is verified. KFC's commitment to quality starts with precision, down to the gram.
40 weighing stations, 200 workers, 10,000 kilograms of fresh chicken processed single hour.
Each piece carefully selected, each portion precisely measured. The slider system ensures consistency.
Every cavity labeled, every batch tracked. From this moment forward, each piece of chicken.
pH. Every measurement matters. KFC's quality standards leave nothing to chance.
The Great Wash, thousands of liters per hour. Every piece of chicken thoroughly cleaned, sanitized, and prepared.
Water pressure adjusted. New setting confirmed.
One screen, total control. Every parameter monitored.
The automated cutting chamber. Laser-guided precision. Robotic perfection. Every cut calculated. Out of the chamber, perfection emerges. Every piece cut. Every bone removed. Every circles. Automation cuts. Humans sort. Every piece handled with care. Every tray organized. Not all chicken is equal. Grade A, perfection. Standard, still excellent, just different. Every piece. Organization is everything. Every bucket filled. Every piece sorted. Every label applied. From
The second wash, every surface, every angle, every bucket sanitized before the chicken inside moves to final preparation.
Steam cycle complete. Temperature verified.
82 degrees, pure steam. Every bucket heats.
Laser precision. AI analysis. Every piece scanned. Every bucket verified.
The secret blend. 11 herbs and spices.
Double coated.
Handcrafted flavor meets industrial precision.
350 degrees, 12 minutes. The transformation is complete. Fresh chicken beginner. Fresh from the fryer, the chicken rests, cooling to perfection. Steam rises, crispiness locks in.
98.7%. That's today's pass rate. But 100% of chicken is inspected by human eyes.
The bucket, red and white stripes. The Colonel's smile, recognized on every continent. Each piece placed with care. Each bucket a promise of flavor. Sealed, secured, guaranteed fresh. Every lid locked tight. Every seal tamper evident. From 4 degrees Celsius, the cold chain holds. From raw chicken at arrival to packaged buckets in storage.
Truck 447 ready for loading.
Rack secured.
Next shipment rolling.
Truck 447 verified and sealed.
Before any truck leaves, every detail is verified. Bucket count, temperature, security, departure confirmed. Destination everywhere. From this facility alone, trucks travel over 10,000 miles per day. City streets, open highways, mountain passes, late-night deliveries. The KFC distribution network never stops.
Arrival. The seal is broken. The delivery confirmed. From factory to restaurant in under 12 hours. Fresh KFC chicken, ready to serve. The restaurant kitchen, where factory perfection meets customer service. Every morning, the team prepares. Fresh chicken from the facility.
Even at the restaurant, nothing is assumed. Every bucket inspected, every seal verified, every piece checked.
The pressure fryer, 350 degrees, 12 PSI, 8 minutes. KFC's secret isn't just
8 minutes, the perfectly timed. The pressure releases, and then lifts.
The warming station, 140 degrees, perfect holding temperature. Fresh chicken, ready for the rush.
I'll have a 3-piece meal, please. 1 drumstick, 1 thigh, 1 wing. Order placed, kitchen alerted.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you for choosing KFC.
The handoff, fresh chicken, delivered with care.
Crispy, juicy, perfectly seasoned. This is KFC.
Chicken, more than a meal. KFC brings families together. Shared moments, Shared from fresh chicken to crispy perfection, from factory to fryer to family, every step monitored, every detail perfected.
New York, London, Tokyo, Shanghai, Paris, Dubai. Everywhere people gather, KFC is there. Every country has its flavors, every culture its preferences. KFC adapts, but never.
Quality today, responsibility for tomorrow. KFC is committed to sustainable practices, renewable energy. Beyond buckets and recipes, KFC builds communities. The Harvest Program feeds those in need. The foundation supports
Harlan Sanders, a man with a recipe and a dream. From one small kitchen in Kentucky, he built a global.
The future of KFC is here. AI-powered ordering, drone delivery, automated
Versions. 800,000 team members worldwide. Everyone trained. Everyone valued. KFC doesn't just hire employees.
12 million customers, 12 million stories, first dates, final exams, hard work rewarded.